That's a really good bevy. Man, I wonder what PK would have done at 16 with this podcast. I know he wouldn't be drinking this bevy in here. This is too good for him then. Maybe I'll take a little nap and think about that one. Ha! 16-year-old PK. Hey, yo, Pop. Can I look now? I never told you to close them in the first place. Hey, thanks again for grilling for my first podcast episode. This is so awesome. I'm so excited about what you and Mom got me. Yep. Mom wasn't mad that we stole the camera equipment out of your room, was she? You don't know nothing about that camera equipment. I can look now, right? Just open the dang GIF, alright? Oh man, I hope it's a flamethrower. Now why in the world would you need a flamethrower for this podcast? I thought you needed a bevy cooler. Just open the dang thing. Oh, rad! A cooler! Feel free to insert your ad here. Aw, Dad! Shucks, this is amazing! Aw, me and my buddies, we can put 6 packs of beer in here. Mini bottles of tequila, this is amazing! Who's bringing beers over? I mean root beers. I was only kidding about the tequila part. Haha. Anything that you want to keep cold goes in there. Even your root beers. Alright, that was silly. But for reals, while y'all wait for the podcast to launch, just keep coming by every Wednesday. There's going to be more laughter. There's going to be more antics. Look, I'm just having a ball doing this for you guys, and I don't even know what's next. But, for the meantime, subscribe, follow me on all the social media things, the Instagram, the Facebook, the TikTok. Working on those now. There's a little bit of a learning curve. But, we thank you. We're just thrilled to be doing these like silly little things for everyone, and yeah, until next Wednesday, bottoms up.